Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Today I'm going to show you how to get this look, which is perfect for the upcoming festival of Eid. The way I envision any festive look is it has to be glamorous and it has to be wearable. It shouldn't be like in-your-face glamour kind of a thing. And this is a look that I've worn to several different festivals and I wanted to share it with you guys as well. So let's get this started, and if you're new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe. I'll be starting with my eye makeup because I'm going to be using some fine glitter, so in case there's any fallout, I can wipe it off and then do my face makeup. To prime my lids, I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in medium. I'm going to spread it out with my finger and then set it with the NYC Loose Powder. From the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, I'm taking the color Burkina with my Sigma E40 blending brush. I'm going to start defining the outer crease. I'm going to use small bits of color at a time, not too much, because this is highly pigmented and if you use too much, blending can be a nightmare. So use a little bit at a time and keep increasing it till you're happy with the intensity. To highlight my brow bone, I'm taking the color Giza with my Sigma pencil brush, and I'm going to use this right under the arch of my brows. To saturate my lids, I'm taking the color Dahlia, and first I'm going to be applying this with my finger, and then I will blend out the edges with my transition color using my Sigma E40. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I'm going to be using some fine glitter on my lids. But before that, I'm going to use the NYX Multitasker directly on my lids using my finger. This will act as a sticky base for the glitter that's coming up next. And the glitter that I'm using is the NYX Glitter in Gold. I'm going to wipe out all the fallout before I prime my face with the Studio Perfect Photo Loving Primer from NYX. I'm going to give my face a good massage with this, especially in places where it's extra dry. For foundation, I'm using the Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth. This is from Maybelline in the color Sandy Beige. And I'm going to be applying this as always with a damp beauty sponge. To conceal my dark circles as well as highlight my face, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Pure Beige. I'm going to blend this out with a beauty sponge as well, but I'm using a smaller beauty sponge than before because it's easier to get into hard to reach areas like in the corners of the eyes. And after I'm done with blending it out, I'm using the Jordana Forever Flawless Press Powder to set my entire face. To warm up my cheeks, I'm using a tiny amount of the Nutmeg Frost, which is a bronzer from Coastal Scents. And I'm going to use small circles to blend this out using the dough color angled brush. And for blush, I'm using Heartfelt again from Coastal Scents, and I'm going to be applying this with the Wet n Wild powder brush. For a delicate glow, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild highlighting powder in Precious Petals. I'm going to apply this on the high planes of my face using a dispersed fan brush. And for the inner corners of my eyes, I'm going to be using a pencil brush from Sigma. Next, I'm taking the color Burkina one more time and I'm going to smudge this out in the lower lash line using a pencil brush. To line my waterline, I'm using the NYX black eye pencil. This is a retractable pencil, so it's just easier to get it out and then you don't have to sharpen the tip. And using the NYX matte eyeliner in black, I'm going to line my top lash line and pull out a small wing in the outer corner. For all of you who have hooded eyes like me, when you line your top lash line, make sure you stay very close to the lash line. So you make your line very thin. The thicker the line, it'll make your eyes look droopy. So stay low and stay thin and it'll look fantastic. I'm going to apply a quick coat of Mega Length Mascara from Wet n Wild before I use Harjot Lashes in Angel. To balance out my eyes, I'm using a muted nude pink color on my lips. This is New Mod from Sigma. And here's the completed look. Let me know your thoughts on this look by commenting below. And don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. If you plan to recreate any of my looks, don't forget to tag me on social media. I've included all of the links in the description box below, along with all the products that I used today in the tutorial. Thank you all for tuning in. I love you guys so much, and I will see you again on Thursday with a brand new video. Bye guys.